folks, we're going to Aya school right now. Just dropped off our kid in Istaba preschool, so I'm not sure how long they're gonna stay with him over there. It was supposed to like an hour, and let's see. Aya pre-K kindergarten. So far, this is the biggest school I have ever seen. Muslim school. The parking and the buildings are so huge over here. Alright, so this is so big. It's huge. It's like full-size high school, mid-school. It's got pretty much everything that you would see in common public schools. So this is Masjid of Aya. It's called Islamic Center of New Tampa. This is women's section, and on the left side is a men's section. So we just checked the facility. They have 2 departments, I would say. One is pre-K up to primary school, and the second one is mid-school to high school. So they look great. Newer building, the condition is great. The only thing is the classes are mixed. So other than that, everything was fine. All right, so we are here in Peace Academy, picking up our kid from observation class. It's been almost an hour. Let's see his reaction. He's been crying for a long time now. We've been waiting outside. I'm picking up now, and we're gonna go. Oh, whoa. You want to say thank you? Yeah, say bye. Thank you.